Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at gold on the daily and weekly. So gold finally broke lower and we were seeing sideways consolidation, which looked really good for the bulls, but no longer the case with this pullback. We're now looking at the middle Bollinger Band support, 1329, the 10-day moving average, 1328. And in a recent video I did probably a few days ago, I said that what I wanted to see for the bulls to show me something in gold is instead of all these rejections pulling back all the way to the low 1300s, I want to see the bulls establish a base, and I believe I picked out 1330 as an area that would show a lot of bullish strength to me. If we establish the higher low at 1330 this point, rather than pulling all the way back down to the low 1300s and playing the same game we've been playing time and time again with the lower high pattern continuing to tighten up, that would show me something, and it would show bullish strength establishing a higher low. So I'm still looking for that to happen, not seeing much of a bounce currently playing out at that level. We'll see how tomorrow goes, and obviously watching the dollar as well. 95.60 key resistance on the dollar. Couple little tops there on this bounce, still recovering from the Fed dump. And if we break that level, gold is likely to see some lower lows. If we reject from it, pull back and break $95 support, gold should see a nice move to the upside. So here's gold on the hourly. Sideways consolidation looked great for the bulls after the breakout. Now the big dump with some dollar strength this morning. And we had a bullish reversal doji here, confirmed short-term bounce. Not much amounting from it at this point. And we zoom out and look at the last consolidation base in this area. And that found support down at 1328, 1329. And we just bounced off of this 1328 level as well. So bulls need to hold this, otherwise we're heading down to 1324, the next previous resistance level. A little bit of a base was established there. So it's a key support level for the bulls to hold. The RSI did get oversold on the hourly, and we're now seeing some bounce. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Potential bear flag. So bulls want to establish some higher lows and higher highs from this 1380 point and maintain a higher low pattern. And again, lower high pattern extremely clear, as is the higher low. So let's get a little trend tightening channel going here real quick. So we're not even anywhere near that support level, but worth keeping an eye on if we do continue to pull back and lose 1330. And then resistance, we would be looking at this downtrend resistance line and watching that channel continue to tighten on the 4-hour chart. So the miners, bearish break today on JNUG, obviously with the bearish break of gold, likely the reason. Not even likely, it is the reason. But we did close above 1695. That was the low of the previous consolidation, and although we did break well below it, we did close above it. So it's still a support level to keep an eye on. If it's lost, we're looking down at 1520, and we're on the verge of a bearish MACD cross. But the bulls are hoping that this spike in volume, the change of the decreasing volume pattern, and long lower wick is showing bulls loading and heading for some upside. I am going to be watching the miners for a bullish entry tomorrow, but I'm not going to make that bullish entry unless my trade plan is triggered. And after 2 days of rejecting from this 20-period hourly resistance time and time again, look at all the rejections yesterday, 5-6 rejections. I am not touching the bull miners until this 20-period hourly is support. Look where we rejected pre-market, 3 rejections from it, and then a dump. So I don't care if I miss 50 cents to the upside. I don't care. I will easily give up that reward to eliminate a lot of risk by turning this key moving average resistance back into support. Let's see if it's the same here for NUGT. For JNUG, it's currently at 1768. That will change by tomorrow morning. And for NUGT, same story, 1925. So that is my trade plan. And no matter what bullish action we see, no matter the bounces, I'm sticking to that and not touching the bulls until that breaks. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. 1328 key gold support. If it breaks, we're looking down at 1324 and then the 1315 area. And again, that dollar, keep an eye on it. A break of 95.60 and the gold pullback likely not done. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.